friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to make crispy and crunchy masala peanuts. If you like this recipe, please give a like and share it. Let's see how to make it. I have taken 1 cup of peanuts. Add a little bit salt and 1/4 cup of water. Mix well and soak the peanuts for half an hour. Take another bowl. Put 1 cup of besan flour. This flour grinded in the mill. 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add half spoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, add required salt, and 1/4 spoon of fennel seeds powder. It will give good aroma to the peanuts. Add Asafetida also. Mix well. Now add the soaked peanuts. Give good mix. Pour oil in a kadai for frying. Oil is heated enough. Now take 1 spoon of oil and add the peanut mixer. Don't skip this step because the batter will coat the peanuts well if you add oil now. Now drop the peanuts one by one in the hot oil. Be very careful, oil is very hot. Keep medium flame. Peanuts are fried well. This is very good evening snack. You can store in the airtight container. Fry few curry leaves. It will give good aroma to the peanuts. Crispy crunchy peanuts are ready. Thank you for watching.